Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I want to talk about 30-day food supply. Now, this 30-day food supply will be for a family of 4. Now, this is your bare bones 30-day supply. It will be for 2,000 calorie diet every day, and this is literally the cheapest way to build a 30-day supply to make sure you get 2,000 calories a day for 4 people in your family. Okay, now this is literally no frills. This is, making sure you eat 3 meals a day, or however you want to disperse these meals and this food. Okay, so first would be 5 pounds of flour. Now you can make your bread, you can make your pasta, tortillas, pie crust biscuits, however you want to do that, okay? 5 pounds of flour. 10 pounds of rice. 100 cans of veggies. Now you're going to say 100 cans of veggies. Now you got to take into consideration. Now this is going to be for 30 days for 4 people, 3 meals a day. Now, you can, obviously it wouldn't be for breakfast or anything like that, but sometimes people do add vegetables in with their eggs or however, okay? 5 pounds of pasta, 5 jars of sauce, or if you wanted to do the cans of sauce for pasta. 10 pounds of beans. Now I would, do navy beans and lima beans and red beans and kidney beans, however kind of beans that you want to do. It's cheaper to buy the dry beans by the pound. It really is. But if you don't know how to prepare and cook the dry beans, then you're going to have to spend a little bit more money and get the canned beans. So please take that into consideration. It's going to cost you more to buy the canned beans than it is to buy the dry beans. But like I said, this is the bare bones, the cheapest way to build a 30-day supply for 4 people. 3 large jars of peanut butter. But as I've said in a previous video, if you have a peanut allergy, stay away from peanut butter and find an alternative for protein for peanut butter. Okay, 2 jars of yeast to go along with your flour so you can make bread. 3 boxes of baking powder and baking soda because that'll go in with your bread. 5 pounds of sugar because that is also goes in with bread and pie crust and biscuits and tortillas. Okay. 100 cans of meats, whether you're doing chicken or turkey or beef or tuna. Okay, those 100 cans of meats. Now that will be, for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, ham. I've also seen canned ham. Okay. So this is literally, like I said, bare bones, no frills, the cheapest way I have found to do this. This does not include any kind of freeze-dried anything, because freeze-dried, in my opinion, is way more expensive. No, I do not buy any freeze-dried at all whatsoever. So, this is the quickest way to build a 30-day supply. It's the most cost-effective. This is the way to ensure that you are able to feed a family of 4 for 30 days. It's the way to ensure 2,000 calories a day per person. If I missed anything, please leave your comments in the comment section. If you don't know how to make bread, then what I would do is omit the flour and the baking supplies and just load up on loaves of bread. But this is the cheapest way to stockpile for 30 days. Now, of course, you also want to add in your water for 30 days. Remember, it is 1 gallon per person per day. Half a gallon is for consumption. Quarter gallon is for cleaning and hygiene. And then the other quarter gallon is for cooking. And then, of course, if you have medical needs and you take medication, you might need to add more water to your stockpile. And also, if you have pets, there's a lot of consideration that has to go into your stockpile. So, like I said, this is the cheapest way and the quickest way. No frills. Yeah. I know that this was like probably the most boring list I've ever done. But listen, there's a lot of people who can't afford to buy a lot of food, but this is the way to feed your family. And if you get government assistance through food stamps or whatever, all of this stuff you can get with food stamps. And it's the cheapest way to do it. So if you have any other ways of doing it, please let me know, okay, in the comment section. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. If you need to get a hold of me, you know how to get a hold of me. Keep prepping. Stay safe. Bye.